Today I'm gonna show you why sometimes it is just better to go with the flow. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. Okay, so a few weeks back, I set out to the local mountains. The whole goal of the day was to do a shoot, just a landscape tutorial shoot. As we pull up to the place, we find out that the trail is completely closed. We continued to push on. I mean, it was probably another 30 minutes past our original destination where we finally pulled over. And I get all my gear out, I put the drone in the air, I'm deciding, okay, I'm gonna go scout out these mountains, check it out, and see if there's anything, anything that I can see interesting from above. As I do that, I start to hear these, a bunch of cars coming. And I noticed this one sport bike, and he started going back and forth. And I'm like, okay, cool, this is a great opportunity. I filmed him a few times with the drone, and I thought, I'm gonna get my DSLR out and do some pan shots. And if you don't know what a pan shot is or how to do a pan shot, check out my other video, how to do pan shots. I'm gonna put the link below. I'm also gonna try to link it up above here somewhere. I just gotta figure out how to do that. So this guy was putting on a great show. He was like the perfect subject because he was going through this turn over and over again, and each time he was dropping his bike so low that I could hear the leather dragging across the asphalt. Okay, so after filming and taking pictures of this guy for probably about 20 or 30 minutes, he pulled over and introduced himself. His Instagram information is down in the description below, so be sure to check out his Instagram, man. That guy can ride. So it was getting late, but I decided I was gonna try to salvage the shoot and still try to do a landscape vlog. And so here's kind of the vlog that I tried to put together of that, which did not go too well. I'm in the hills above Los Angeles right now. Came here to get the scenic shots, and instead it looks like this is actually a hot spot for people to bring their cars and bikes up to. With the little bit of light I have left, I'm just gonna head up behind here into these trees and see if I could find something worth shooting. Let's go take a look. When I stepped into the forest, I had so many challenges just trying to find a subject. Everywhere I looked, it was a mess. All these generations of trees and debris had washed down the canyon. There was definitely a spring, there was definitely water, but for me to find a waterfall was going to be extremely difficult. And I figured the best thing to do would be just to put the drone up and check out the area from the drone. I did try to salvage the vlog, and I started to hear what sounded like some kind of animal coming up from behind. So with that, you're gonna need a really stable surface. You can use, because the whole time that shutter is open, it's really important that you keep it. I swear there's like a mountain lion creeping up on me right now, but really creepy. So with that, you know, I'll probably cover this from home because there is definitely something creeping up on me right now. Yeah. Kneeling down near water is like the ideal thing that mountain lions look for. I'm gonna get moving on this. Okay, so after a few minutes of hearing something that sounded like it was stalking me in the background, I decided it would probably be good to just get out of there. Thinking this whole trip, this whole endeavor was just a total loss. And at that moment, I heard those, it sounded like those cars coming back. So I posted up with my camera and my tripod and started shooting, and again, this guy in this BMW, as you'll see in this clip right here, pulled off to the side. Same thing, he asked me, do I charge for photos? I was so surprised by this again. And so that got me thinking that maybe this would be a good idea, because when you start out, you usually can't just jump into photography. People want to see experience, they want to see a portfolio. And so if you don't have that and you don't have a ton of experience, a lot of times you don't know where to start. And this could be one way to start building your portfolio. Every town has a road that's popular with bikers, sports cars, and whatnot. Post up with a camera, you'd be surprised who you meet. So it pays to have an open mind. If I would have been stubborn and just stuck with the original plan, I would have ended up with nothing. And I would have felt like a failure of the day, a waste of the day, waste of gas, whatever. But I didn't. I actually came out with something really exciting. I'd encourage you to get out there, just start shooting. You're gonna learn a lot, you're gonna have fun in the process, and you never know where it's gonna take you. Thanks for watching.